Welcome to Tech's New Tip. Discover the power of progress, where the treacherous roads return and the deep terrain is filled with heavy truck drivers, admiring the sheer power of the chainsaw to the limit of their courage. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling stage makes watching tense to the point of breathlessness. The suspenseful episodes prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. The Scania R650 V8 is a powerhouse heavy-duty truck featuring a 16.4-liter V8 engine that delivers 650 horsepower and an impressive 3,000 Newton-meters of torque. Equipped with the Scania Opticruise G33CM gearbox and a 6x4 configuration, it offers seamless performance and exceptional stability. Its spacious cabin provides modern comfort and advanced safety features, making it an ideal choice for long-haul transportation. My friend, the Vermeer SC 1052 stump grinder delivers robust performance with its 115 horsepower gas engine and smart sweep system. Its compact design, with a width of just 35 inches, is ideal for tight spaces. With a cutting capacity of 31 inches above ground and 25 inches below ground, and a 72-inch sweep range, it ensures precision and efficiency at all times. The four-wheel drive and differential lock provide outstanding capability for tackling challenging terrains. The COMPOSITE Axor 88212 shredder is a powerful machine designed for large-scale operations. Equipped with a 462 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine and a dual drum feed system, it ensures efficient material processing. With its compact and durable design, this shredder can handle tough tasks while maintaining high productivity. Optimal performance and durability, designed for soil lifting and wastewater management, deliver reliability and efficiency in even the harshest forestry environments. Your strength in maintaining the vitality of the redwood forest lies in careful thinning, an operation that allows healthier saplings to thrive. Hauling timber across the Alps is no joke. These guys are managing massive loads, navigating steep slopes and sharp turns that will have you gripping your seat. Absolute respect. With rising fuel prices, the need for alternative energy sources has never been more urgent. Enter the whole Vermeer WC2 300XL chipper. Guided by a conveyor feed system and variable speed grinding technology, this powerhouse transforms round wood and wood chips into efficient fuel. Its easy maintenance and powerful performance make it a timely industrial solution, perfect for meeting today's energy demands. So they're cutting DE, and someone forgot to yell timber. The talking tree knew it was time, standing tall on its towering perch. The moment the top was cut, it came crashing down, shaking the entire tree in a thunderous ripple of force. When it comes to tackling barber chairs, those silent, hidden foes in tree felling, no matter your level of experience, they can catch you off guard and lead to disastrous results. Moments like these are a stark reminder of why safety equipment is absolutely essential. A ladder and an A-frame would turn this whole operation into a masterpiece of precision and safety. This is pure craftsmanship at its finest. A skilled artisan taking down a massive tree from breathtaking heights. From his perspective, with stunning scenery as the backdrop, every move is filled with tension and awe. You can't help but hold your breath, feeling the precision and danger in every cut. This is one video you won't be able to look away from. Absolutely captivating. It's unbelievable how quickly that tree came crashing down. Our lucky guy had no idea he'd find himself in danger, and honestly, who could have seen it coming? One moment, everything seemed under control. The next, chaos erupted as the massive trunk fell with unexpected speed. Yet somehow, amidst the unpredictability and the split-second danger, he managed to get out safely. It's a story that leaves you in awe of luck, quick reflexes, and the sheer unpredictability of nature's might. Wow, this is undoubtedly the most skilled tree-cutting technique I've ever witnessed. The precision and next-level control on display here are absolutely remarkable. Every movement was calculated to perfection, ensuring there was no rolling, bouncing, or unnecessary risks.